morning, everyone. I have not been very good at keeping you guys along on the process, but we are getting there. As you can see, living room is full of boxes and the packing has begun. So what has happened since the last time you saw our video, or I guess it's probably going to be the same video, I'm still not sure. Obviously I'm getting back to this whole YouTube thing because I have been gone for a couple of years, but last you saw, my mom and sister moved up to Alabama and we are going up next. So as of now, we have about 2 months left in Florida, a little bit less than that. And so we have been trying to pack up the house, apply for houses in Alabama, organize the house, get rid of anything we don't need. It has been a crazy process for the past probably month now. We've been leading up to this since December and it has been crazy. So now that we're here, it's just getting even more crazy, honestly. So they're up there, we're packing, we're getting everything ready. And yesterday we did apply for a house. So that happened last night, probably around 5 o'clock. It was kind of late. I was looking for houses all day. We would call property managers. They would say something is available. We'd go tour it, call to apply, and it wouldn't be available. So yesterday we finally got one. So now we are just anxiously waiting to hear back if we are going to get this house or not. That is all. I'm going to keep you guys updated if we get the house. Our packing, we need to go today and get more bubble wrap, more tape. We have enough boxes, but we don't have enough bubble wrap and tape to keep packing. So we have to do that today. We're going to wait and hear about the house. We have to get a couple things just to keep the process going. So I will make sure to keep you guys updated, let you know what's going on. Follow us from Florida to Alabama. Okay, I have a little bit of an update for you guys. So I just heard back from the property management team that we reached out to about the rental home that we're interested in, and they said that we are, if all of the documents that they needed have been sent in, which I believe they are, I double checked, we sent everything they asked for. If we did get all the documentation, everything sent in first, which it looks like it, we will be the first in line to get approved if the screening and everything goes well. So I have everything sent in. I sent that over about 5 minutes ago. We sent everything last night, sent more this morning. So now I am just waiting to hear back from her either today or tomorrow with an update on whether or what we got it. So I'm freaking out. I've been doing work all day, trying to keep myself not, preoccupied thinking about this, trying not to get my hopes up too much. So just keep your fingers crossed. We will be hearing back soon. And I am just praying to the universe that this is our house and we can just get going and get moving. The next day, we still don't have an update from the property manager. I seriously did not sleep at all last night. I was tossing and turning all night, having dreams about it. So I'm hoping that we get a call sometime this afternoon. If not, I'm probably gonna follow up around 1 or 2 o'clock here because I am just like, I need to know if this is our house or if we have to keep searching. So yeah, I'm gonna follow up with the property manager today. Hopefully I'll have a better update and some good news. It is a while later actually since I last updated you, and we got the house. We are so happy, so excited. But now things are really kicking into gear. We have less than 3 whole weeks left in Florida. So today we have someone coming to pick up the washer and dryer, getting everything cleaned out of the way, getting the hallway cleared out. I'm really out of breath, as you can tell. And then we also have someone picking up the bedroom set that they bought. So we're trying to get that cleaned up, taken apart, so that it's a lot easier to get down the stairs. So what do you think about it? It's a lot. Finally getting rid of the couch. All right, we just got rid of the couch. So now we are just left with a bunch of full and empty boxes. 16 days, that's all we have left in Florida. Our living room is full of boxes. We got rid of our bedroom set, we got rid of our couch, we got rid of our washer and dryer. So those are all off of the checklist. Now we have 16 days. So now all we have left is just to finish packing. The last week is really gonna be like the bulk of everything, all the last minute things that we're still using until we move. I just can't believe it. We got the house, as you guys know, and now it's just time to get the ball moving.